Sample problem 2 for the incomplete dominance and codominance is now an example where we have a curly-haired person and a straight-haired person mating, and the result is wavy hair. It also says, note that wavy hair is a phenotype in between that of curly hair and straight hair, meaning it's a new phenotype that's showing up. That tells us that this is, again, an example of incomplete dominance. That's important because it tells us what type of alleles we're going to use in our allele key. In incomplete dominance, both traits are dominant, and so they're both denoted with capital letters. So capital C is curly hair, but also dominant would be capital S for straight hair. Both of these are dominant. So wavy hair then must be a combination of the two alleles, where wavy would be CS. So let's go ahead and set up the cross. Let's follow all of the steps. Step 1, what are the phenotypes of the two parents? In this instance, I have two wavy-haired individuals. Next, what are their genotypes? Okay, genotypes for wavy hair are capital C, capital S, capital C, capital S from both parents. Next, what are the possible gametes? Well, we're talking about one trait here, hair type, but there are two different alleles for the trait. So I can have two different gametes. I can have capital C or I can have capital S. From this parent, I can have the same thing, a capital C or a capital S. Next, I need to set up my box. Now that my box is set up, let's put one parent down the side, the other parent across the top, and complete my cross. Now let's take a look at what the kids look like. Capital C, capital C. This is a curly-haired individual. I can look through my boxes and I notice that I don't have any other curly hairs. So 1 out of 4, or 25%, has curly hair. Here, CS is a wavy hair, and I have another CS. So I have 2/4 wavy haired, or 50%, displaying the wavy phenotype. Last but not least, I have SS. SS means straight hair. And I have 1/4, 1 out of 4 boxes with straight hair, or 25%. Recall that in incomplete dominance, I need 2 copies of a particular dominant allele to show up, to show that phenotype. If I have 2 different dominant alleles showing up, that indicates the blended trait, which in this case is wavy hair.